Hello everyone, hope you're all doing well. Welcome to my channel. My name is Prasanna Kulkarni. You can call me PK. On this channel, we review online tools and productivity hacks from the perspective of small business owners or website managers. In today's video, we are going to review WordPress CMS. 40% of the internet apparently is running on WordPress CMS. That's a huge number. It's a very popular CMS. So in today's video, let's take a look at some of the features of WordPress CMS, and if it's let's try to see if it's going to be a good fit for you. Okay, so now how this is going to work is that, do you see this blog in the bottom right section? Well, this is the companion blog for this video. Link will be in the description. I will be editing the blog as we are going through this video and finding out things. And this video is the companion video for the blog, so it's vice versa. Feel free to refer the blog for all of the links and notes after the video. Link will be in the description. The things that we are going to look at in this video today are that we are going to see the latest version. First, we will take a look at WordPress website and the messaging on the website. Then we will take a look at the latest version of WordPress and end of life. Some content creation features like support for Markdown or RST format. Then can you create components like tables, code blocks, images, etc. On WordPress. Then we will see what is the process to add images, editing CSS, JavaScript, HTML. Can you do that? Can you add marketing scripts like Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager easily? What is the default SEO and analytics? And usability for non-technical users as a verdict of the video. So these are the things that we are going to take a look at in this video. So let's get started basically now. Here we are on the WordPress website, wordpress.org. Now, very clean website. They are highlighting that basically you can create blocks of different components, and then you can design your website. You can see it in real time, how the changes that you're making, how it is going to affect the website, and then you can extend your WordPress website by adding plugins. Asterisks for the plugins part. Plugins is what makes WordPress great, the ecosystem of plugins, but it is also something that can make your website slow. You don't know what's happening in the plugin, and I've had clients whose website got hacked because they installed some plugins. So you always have to be careful about the plugins. It's a pro as well as a con to the CMS. Okay. So you have links to all of the themes, plugins. You have some hosting suggestions for your WordPress website. WordPress news is over here. Okay. Some showcase. The New York Times company. Okay, so this is the WordPress website. Now let's try out WordPress. Thankfully, WordPress provides this playground.wordpress.net where you can try out WordPress. This is what we are going to use for this video. All right, there we go. All right, so you go to this link playground.wordpress.net, and then you can basically take WordPress out for a spin, which is awesome. You can check out all of its features. We will use WordPress 6.6, okay. All right. So the first thing that we want to see is the latest version and end of life. So let's go to this link, wordpress.org about/requirements, and find out. So the requirement is that you need PHP version 7.4 or greater on your server, and you need MySQL version 8.0 or greater, or MariaDB version 10.5 or greater. Okay, then you need HTTPS support. So check out your host if they provide if they satisfy these requirements. Now the supported version for WordPress again is so let's go and check out the supported version of WordPress. Okay, so the latest version looks like WordPress 6.6.1. Okay, and so we have to edit the WordPress 6.6.1. 6.6 is the latest version of WordPress, so I edited that. WordPress 6.6.1 is the latest version of WordPress. This is the only version which is supported. Anything older than WordPress 6.6.1 is not supported. So if your website is on WordPress older than WordPress 6.6.1, you need to update to the latest version of the WordPress. Okay, so let's try out the playground again. So to try out if it supports Markdown, I'm going to create a new post and let's give it some name. Let's see. Yeah, so 2 slashes makes it into a heading, which is great. So it looks like it does support Markdown. If I do this, yeah, it's going to make a dash into a list. So yes, it does support Markdown. I searched and WordPress doesn't support RST format. You have to install some plugins to make RST work, .rst format work on your WordPress. Now, can we add tables, code blocks, images, that kind of thing on WordPress? Let's see. If I do plus, do they have table? Yeah, you have table. That's nice. So I can add a table. Nice. That's awesome. Call 1, call 2. Nice. Let's see how this is looking. Okay, this is how our blog is looking so far. Can I do a code block? Next, let's see how do we do a code block. Yeah, code, say I want to do a Python code. I will do import request, just for example, URL equals to HTTPS print, just some random code I'm doing. Let's see how this preview works. Okay, I don't see any code highlighting. So code highlighting doesn't work out of the box is what I think. Let's see. Let's search for it. I need code highlighting. Code highlighting WordPress. Yeah, looks like it's a added plugin. That's what I'm seeing. Yeah, so you need here, like first you need a plugin to highlight your code. Okay, I don't like that. I don't want to install any plugin. So next what we will do is, do we have a accordion? No accordion out of the box. Tabs. No tabs. What else? Link, of course, they will have a link. Nice. So do you have social links? You probably are going to have link, I believe. A two-column layout. How do I do a column layout? Say I wanted two-column layout. I don't see any option. Let's search for it, right? Oh, columns. Nice. So I guess you have two-column layout. Let's go back to WordPress. Columns. Oh, this is awesome. Cool. Okay. Pretty nice. Two-column layouts. Okay, I like this. I like this feature. Let's check out our review again. Yeah, those two-column layouts are working. So for so there are tables. I'm just editing the blog. There are tables are supported, accordions and tabs are not supported out of the box. Code blocks do not have syntax highlighting. You can have multiple column layout. Nice. So next, yeah, so here's what I edited. Tables are supported, accordions and tabs are not supported out of the box. Code blocks do not have syntax highlighting. You can have multiple layout. I'm curious like how the multiple column layout will work on different devices, but maybe that's something for another video. Next is images. Let's see how easy it is to add an image. Image, nice. I have an image. Okay. Pretty cool. I guess adding images is easy. I can it would be nice to like be able to edit or like optimize the image on the page itself, which I don't see like an option. Okay, so for images, you can add image and edit the aspect ratio. Now, how do we edit? The next part is to edit the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. To edit that, let's see if we have an option. Yeah, here it is. So I guess for editing HTML, CSS, you can edit the theme itself. Yeah, you can edit the theme itself. How can you maybe there are other plugins to just like add scripts. Okay, so editing CSS, JavaScript, HTML, you can edit the theme file by creating a child theme. It's not very easy to create a child theme for a non-technical user. To install marketing scripts, you can do it by editing the child theme itself. But again, won't be easy for a non-technical user. Now let's go back to WordPress. Let's see the default SEO and try to see what we got. So let's see, does it have meta tags? Okay, so it doesn't seem to have meta description. Let's see and edit the post. Where do I add meta description? WordPress add meta description. Yeah, so it's saying to install Yoast plugin, but does it have it without a plugin? Okay, so looks like WordPress, it depends on the theme, and WordPress by default does not add the SEO tags. You are dependent on the plugin to add it. Yoast plugin is very popular plugin to add your SEO tags or anything else related to SEO, and like it will help you be in the range to like proper word count for titles and meta description. So does WordPress does not output meta description out of the box. It is dependent on the theme. You can install plugins for adding meta description. Okay, I edited that part. Okay, so I edited the part for adding meta descriptions, what we just found out. And now we come to the last section for usability for non-technical users. Well, first thing is, because there's a server and database involved, I would say it is not as easy for non-technical users. You just want to like update your website and be done with it. So, and not worry about your website getting hacked or updating your website. So for non-technical users, I would say it is not as easy. The core functionality is good for blogging, but you will need to do a lot of tweaking to get it to have it work like you want. Yeah, so that was our review for WordPress 2024. It's great for blogging, I would say not very straightforward for non-technical users. It will have a learning curve, and it might, there might be other options which are good, which satisfies your use case. If you have like a developer in-house, then I think WordPress might make sense. Thank you for watching the review, and please like and subscribe. I will be posting a new review pretty soon. Thank you.